I want to underscore your point about companies growing faster than ever before. And look, OpenAI scaled from essentially nothing to, what is it this year? $3.7 billion run rate, or,
Yeah.
maybe it's trailing revenues, whatever. Huge number. But it's
Huge
also
number.
showing up in other companies. Cursor, which just, I think they're closing around at 2.9, 2.5, somewhere in there. And I was reading that they grew from 4 million in annual revenue to 4 million in monthly revenue in an incredibly quick timeline. That's a pace of growth that's simply insane. And
it's crazy.
Honestly, I think Cursor at 2.5 is undervalued, but that's a different story. But that people are chasing those prizes. That company probably won't go out until it's worth 20 or 30 billion. So that means it's going to be another 8-10 years. I mean, it's just,
it could be a while.
Yeah.
You see a lot of value accruing in the private markets. I think the interesting thing with AI in particular is like, there's just going to be a lot of head fakes. There are going to be a lot of companies that grow really quickly, and the growth curves kind of look like this, and then they stall, maybe go negative, and some of them will either rebound back up or go negative and just kind of fade to irrelevance. And because what happens is you go to any big company, everyone's boss says to them, "Hey, Alex, like, I want you to introduce efficiencies to our business with AI." It's like, it's a mandate. You say, "I got to go do that." You're just going to go out and buy a lot of AI solutions because it's your mandate. And you might not have a clear-cut ROI case to be made, but there is a demand for AI efficiencies in our business. I think you see a lot of companies growing really quickly off the back of that, right? You're not doing a full RFP. You're not really saying, let me evaluate 3 solutions. Just, I need to buy it and I need to buy it now. I do think what's going to happen with a lot of the AI startups is there are going to be some that kind of are on that trajectory, that are best of breed, that are N of 1, that then continue once we get a little bit more scrutiny on AI procurement and AI purchasing. But there will certainly be a lot that grow really quickly, that become commoditized, that grow really quickly, that are actually the number 2 or 3 in their space, and then they really slow down and they see a lot of churn. We had Eric Vistria at our Investor Day not too long ago, and like he said this very well, which was, like, we expect a lot of the companies that we invest in to slow down or decline at some point in the next 1 to 2 years.